Hey everyone, welcome to the RAM Live Recap. Today I'm going to be talking about 10 accessories everyone should know about.
Join our product experts, Ashley and Rick, as they showcase the latest and greatest that RAM mounts and GDS tech have to offer. Now let's get started.
Now the products I'm going to talk to you about today are in no type of order. So I'm just going to start right now with keyboards. This keyboard right here is our Bluetooth keyboard. It's a really great option if you're looking for a cost-effective solution for an in-vehicle workstation. It's Bluetooth, so it will pair with a tablet or an iPad. And another great feature is that we have combined this with a magnet. So there's a magnetic plate or a metal plate on the back of here, and then our magnetic power plate right here. This is a really great solution, especially if you are using this in a vehicle and you've parked and you want to leave the vehicle and you want to move this out of the way and store it. This is really great for security purposes and really handy. Here we have the GDS keyboard with 10 key numerical pad. This is a really rugged keyboard. It also will allow you to wipe this clean, spray it with sprayer, anything like that. It's a really great option for those of you using this in a rough and rugged environment. This is our GDS keyboard with trackpad. Now, similar to the keyboard I just showed you over here, this too is a really rugged solution that you can wipe clean. Now, I have this attached to a keyboard bracket. On the bottom, the keyboard is attached to the amps hole pattern on this bracket, and on the top is a VESA plate. This is where you would attach maybe a monitor, or you could attach one of our GDS docks and utilize the USB with one of the peripherals that we have on our GDS dock so that you can utilize the trackpad and the keyboard. Here we have the RAM cable manager. Now, there are a couple uses for this. First is the obvious reason. This is going to manage your cables. Typically, this is used for fish finders, but it can be used in any application where you have a lot of wires that you want to hide. So you have this mounted onto a flat surface. Then you have the arm mounted to the top of here, and then you have your monitor mounted. And then under here, there's this gap, and that's where you can shove all the cords into, and they can wrap around here. It's a really great use, makes everything really clean and sleek looking. Now, another solution that this is really great for is creating space between your whatever you're mounting and the flat surface. So let's say you want to use this on a dash. You can put this on the dash if you are wanting to attach something and you need a little bit of a gap. This is really great use as a spacer. This right here is our B size, and this larger one is our D size. This is the RAM quick release clip. Now, this is a really great solution if you're looking to quickly remove a product or a device from an existing mount. You can switch these out really easily utilizing this product. Now, you're simply going to lift on this tab to remove the male piece from the female piece. And over here in this example, I have this iPhone attached to the quick release clip, and you'll simply push up to remove. As simple as that. We've also seen our quick release clip used on wheelchairs. Now, in that scenario, the quick release clip is actually at the base of the mount itself. Now, what you can do is simply remove that clip, just pop that clip up, and the entire base will be removed easily, and you can move that easily from the chair to a bed to any other application. This is the RAM Roto-View. The RAM Roto-View allows you to easily adjust your tablet from landscape to portrait mode without having to utilize the knob on the arm. I have this attached right here to this tablet, and as you can see, I can simply adjust this to landscape and then back to portrait. It can go all the way around, in fact. The way that this attaches to the mount is that it sandwiches in between the tablet holder and the ball base. This is a really great solution for certain apps that work better in portrait mode or landscape. So if you're in a vehicle switching between applications, you can easily adjust your tablet to accommodate those apps. This is our swivel socket arm. Now, a typical socket arm that we make will allow you to have any type of range of motion in this direction. But what's great about this product is that the top half moves independently from the bottom half, so you have even greater range of motion when using this product. Here we have it in a ratchet system, so we also can lock it down in the middle and then have more range of motion on the ends that will allow you to twist on each end. So that's just greater range of motion in this product. This is in the C size, the Ratchet in the C size. And this one's really cool. This is what we have for if you're wanting to go from a B size to a C size. Here we have our double and triple ball adapters. This is a really great product if you're wanting to attach more than one device to a single mounting location. And you can achieve this with this mount right here. This is a double ball attached to a base plate, and this is our B size. So you would have this attached here, and then you can attach 2 arms off of here, so one location, and you have 2 devices attached. Here is the triple ball option. This, obviously, you can attach 3 different arms to this option right here. This is our C size double ball, and I have this in a B size to show you how this would work. So you can attach 2 arms to this option right here, and you have really great range of motion and an extension as well. Here we have the Ram Add-A-Ball. This is a really cool product that will replace the existing nut that's on your double socket arm and replaces that with a ball. Now, you use this and you can actually attach another arm to that ball. Now you have 2 mounting locations from one base. It's a really cool product. Now on to our theft deterrent section. I'm going to start with our key locking knobs. Now what's really cool about these knobs is that you can replace your existing ball and socket knobs for the B and C size ball and socket with this key lock knob. Simply replace that knob with this knob, and now you have a really great theft deterrent system. Here's an example of our key lock knobs on a swing arm system. As you can see in this example, we've replaced all of the existing knobs that are on these double socket arms with the key lock knobs. When this product is locked, you will notice that it's going to spin freely. And when it spins freely, that means it's not going to actually engage this nut inside of here to loosen up the ends of this product. This is our pin lock security knob. This knob replaces the existing knob on your double socket arm, and it comes with this key. This key has a corresponding pattern that fits perfectly and will allow you to adjust that knob, tighten it down to secure. In this example, I have it attached to a C-size mount, and before I use the key, you can see that this is adjusting and you're not able to loosen up the arm at all to adjust these balls on the end. So you take this key, press it on there, now I have leverage, and now I'm able to adjust. Now what's great about the pin lock system is that you can integrate our pin lock into an existing D-size knob. So as you can see, this D-size knob has this cavity right here, and that's where you're going to insert the nut. Place that nut inside there, and then use this key to lock it. Now another great feature is the fact that because we have left the knob, you can continue to use your torque wrench. Now I love this torque wrench because my hands are small, so it's a little harder for me to wrench this down in a really tight manner that I would like to have it on when I have a large device mounted to this. So I can take this torque wrench and really get the leverage I need to tighten that knob down. We've come out with a variety of different chargers that range from SIG charge adapters to multi-port wall chargers, as well as hardwire chargers. And that's what we have in this example right here. Over here, I have a couple of hardwire chargers. This right here, obviously, this end right here is going to attach to the battery of a vehicle, and the other end has micro USB. This comes with a SAE disconnect. Now this is going to allow you to easily disconnect from the power source and reconnect. So you don't have to go in and actually physically remove this from the battery. This charger right here has USB Type-C power delivery, as well as a USB port. Now this is going to allow you to attach any type of peripheral, say a keyboard or a scanner gun or something like that. Thanks for watching the RAM Live recap. If you want more information on RAM Live and where to watch, check out our website, rammount.com, under the events page. These episodes, we give away free product, we answer your questions, they're awesome, and we'd love to have you join. So check it out, and thanks for watching.